And wow. Hello guys, welcome to episode 4 of Kids Kitchen, another part of the series of kids desserts. Today we will be making s'mores, originally called graham cracker sandwiches, or people kept on saying I'd like s'mores. They're called s'mores now. You will be needing cookies, chocolates of any type, marshmallows, a plate, scissors to cut your marshmallows in half if they're too big for your cookies, and a microwave. So by the way, I'm in my grandmother's kitchen, so that's why I'm making 7 rather than 5. So I put the bottom cookies first, and then we're going to need to cut our marshmallows because they're too big and they wouldn't sit nicely. So I'm supposed to cut them like this. That way you can put it on more of this. Then after cutting, I'm supposed to put chocolate on top of this. That's why I'm trying to make it flat. So before, I've always made these s'mores with milk chocolate, but I want to try white chocolate. So just supposed to put them on top. So guys, now we need to put these in the microwave for 30 seconds, and you need to give them space because they will blow up like balloons. So we need to put these in the microwave. Like so. Okay, so 30 seconds have passed, and wow. As you can see, they've blown up. Most of them have fallen over. It's gonna get sticky. So now we need to put the top cookies after we place them nicely, properly. So then you're just supposed to put the cookies on top. Normally I'd be stuck in a sticky mess. I don't know. So the whole idea, normally, like if you go camping, you roast your marshmallows over the fire, then you put your chocolate and your cookies. Like that. So I have finished assembling my s'mores, and I wanna eat one. Yeah. That's it. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and tell me what you'd like me to make next. Bye.